Hey guys, it's Milana. Hey you, are you tired of making sugar wax at home or any type of wax and it doesn't come out well? Whew, trust me, I have been there personally myself, and I've just come a long way and decided, you know what? We are going to buy a waxing kit. It's going to save me so much time and money. So in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing reveal for the first time of the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. And then I'm also going to show you all how to use it. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, now it is time to go ahead and unbox everything. So I am going to be completely honest, I have not opened this ever since I've gotten this. So this is really my first reaction to it. But I honestly really love just the colors and how it looks on the outside. It's really aesthetically pleasing. And on the top it says everything you need for waxing. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Uh-oh. Oh wow. So the first thing when you open it up, I love how the beads are on top. Wow, this looks really pretty. Look. So let's see. It says tea tree beans. Wow. Peppermint. Oh, that's not it. Lavender. Oh my, lemon and eucalyptus. Hold on, let me show you guys. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I'm just so in shock. Okay, this is lavender. Hopefully it focuses on this and not my face. Wow. Okay, that's the first one. And then I have peppermint. This looks, if I could eat it, I probably would. This looks really delicious. Peppermint. And I have tea tree. And next I have lemon. Wow. I keep on saying wow because I'm just like, wow, wow, wow. This is really cute. And then I also have eucalyptus. I really love the blue. It looks really nice. Okay, so just by the first unboxing, I love how there's different scents. So you don't have to just go based off of one, because I'm not really sensitive to scents, but the fact that there's 5 different options, that's amazing. I love that. Alright, next we have a couple more things left in the box. So let's start with these popsicle sticks. Oh wow, so I love that it comes with popsicle sticks. Sorry guys, it's like really bright in my room, but this is going to be good for the thicker areas. So if you want to do like your arms, your legs, your armpits, stuff like that. But don't worry, if you don't have any thick hair, they also have small ones. Oh my goodness, here we go. So the small ones are probably going to be like for your eyebrows, your upper lip, just like the smaller areas of your body. So that's really good that it comes in a couple, so if you mess up, you got your options. So let's see what else we got in here. After wax spray and the pre-wax spray. So that's awesome. It comes with pre-wax spray right here, and then we have an after wax spray. So it'll moisturize and smooth your skins before and after. I'm so sorry guys, I'm still trying to get used to my camera and it focusing, so it's probably focusing on my face, but I will learn in time. And the actual kit itself is the last thing I have to pull out. Oh, it comes in bubble wrap. That's good. Wow. The design on it, oh, hold on. It comes with gloves and spray inside too. Wow, so I don't even have to pull this out downstairs. Oh, it comes with gloves, and then it also comes with this little bottle cap right here. Like the top of bottle cap sprays. And it's black and purple. Look how cute this looks. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is really cute. Okay. That's not it. That's not it. I'm not done yet. Hold on. Alright, so on top I have a cute little thank you card from the founder. Anytime I receive a thank you card or a note from any of the products that I order, I really do appreciate it. I think it's really nice that they took the time to put this in their products, and then this is the back as well. So I just thought this was really cute. Like, wow. Normally it's like a handwritten note, but there's some art on it, some handwriting. It's a combination of everything. That's nice. Alright, so next we have a quick beginner guide. So if you're not a visual learner and you prefer to read on how to do everything, they have a nice booklet for that. So it goes from anywhere from telling you your hair should be about 1/4 inches long, which is correct, and it tells you how to apply it. So you're gonna apply the wax in the direction of hair growth and work in small manageable sections, which I will be showing you guys in just a second. And then it also tells you how to cool it, how long you should cool it down for, and it basically tells you everything you need to know about waxing, the kit itself, and advice. And wow, it's really cute. And it's not just boring, you know, Helvetica new font in here. It's different fonts, different colors, and it's really eye-catching. I really like it. So overall, I just wanted to say that my favorite part about this so far, I haven't even tested the kit out yet, but my favorite part is the beans. Like, there's 5 different types of beans and pretty good amount. I mean, depending on how much you have to wax, you might have to use more than usual, but you have so many beans. Like, just look at all this. There's 5 packets and they're all different type of flavors. Oh wait, this is not flavors. I'm thinking like it's food. It's not flavors, but different type of scents. There we go. I couldn't think of the word. I think I'm just really hungry. But beans, oh, that's probably my favorite part. My second favorite part has to be, it comes with gloves. You know, not everybody can get these types of gloves depending on where you're living. So I think it's really awesome that it comes with this. Makes you feel like more professional, and it might be easier for some people that may use this on other people. I don't know, but gloves, they're really awesome for that. And I also really love the pre-wax and after wax spray. So this will definitely be easier for people that might do this at home and they might not have the right materials. It literally comes with spray, the sticks, the beans, and the guide. So let's go ahead and go test this kit now. Okay guys, I'm in my bathroom. I'm about to go ahead and set everything up. This is honestly my first time ever doing a waxing kit at home by myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions. So it says to pour the wax beans into the pot and turn the temperature to max. For a faster result, put the lid on. So I already grabbed which one I wanted, which was peppermint. You know, I had 4 other options, but peppermint, it just smells really good. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and make our wax warm up. So you want to just go ahead and turn this knob all the way to the right. The max temperature on this is 257. In order for this to warm up as fast as possible, you also want to go ahead and put your lid right on the top there. Alright guys, so now it is halfway melted, so I'm going to go ahead and put the ring right on top, and then now I'm going to go ahead and grab my stick, and I'm just going to go ahead and start stirring it around a little bit. So as you guys can see, it's still in the process of melting, but you don't want it to be too hot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let it sit there for a little bit longer, just so all the beads will be fully waxed. We want the consistency to kind of just be like honey. So we still got a little bit more to go. Okay guys, so after some time, this is what your wax should look like. It's really honey, really gooey. It took about 5 to 10 minutes. Now that it is at a good melting position, I'm going to go ahead and lower my temperature, and I want to drop it all the way to about, let's say, 165. So you want to keep it anywhere between 150 to 170. It all depends on your skin and where you want it to be at. Alright guys, before I go ahead and start waxing, I wanted to give you guys another close-up of my arm. So this is my arm. The entire thing is hairy, so we will take a before and after. So now we're going to go ahead and spray my arms with this pre-wax spray right here. My arms are very hairy, so I hope you guys can see that, or the camera will somewhat focus on that. I don't know how much I'm gonna wax, so we're just gonna spray like a good amount. So now we're going to go ahead and wait for this to dry. Just a side note guys, I just sprayed my pre-wax spray on my arm, and as soon as I sprayed it, I just smelled it like, hold on. It smells really coconut and really fruity, so I just want to let you guys know it smells really good and not like one of those sprays at the wax salon where it smells really nasty. Alright, so my little wax warmer is set at 165 right now, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to apply it. So the booklet says you want to apply in the direction of your hair growth, and then you want to rip in the opposite. So you can see that my hair grows this way, so I'm going to apply it this way. And then when I rip it, we're going to go ahead and rip the opposite way, which is going to be this way, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and basically when I'm scooping it up, I'm right-handed, so it's going to be a little bit hard, but you want to make sure that you're not dripping this all over the place. So it's really important to make sure that this will be used in your bathroom or just somewhere that you can easily like clean everything up. So I'm going to apply it just like this. You want to also make sure that you apply it with pressure. That is going to be the key. Just make sure you guys are pressing it really firmly down. If it drips off like mine, don't worry about that. We'll just clean it up later. But you just want to make sure that that piece that you are going to be ripping it off, like right here, you want to make sure that that piece at the end is really thick. Okay, so I did a couple of layers, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and let this dry for about a minute. Okay guys, it just got done drying, so my hair goes in this direction going up, so I'm going to start and peel it back from right here, and we're going to go this way. So you just kind of want to find a little grip. So I'm going to start right here. Hopefully my camera can focus. I'm so sorry if it doesn't. So let's go. Ready? One. I'm kind of nervous. 1, 2, 3. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that took off a good portion, but it didn't take off everything. So you can see it's really red because my skin is sensitive, but this is how much it took off. It did take off quite a bunch, I would say, because my hairs on my arms, they can be really stubborn sometimes. So I'm just gonna have to do it like maybe 1 or 2 more times. Hey guys, I wanted to interrupt the video really quickly and let you all know if you want to go ahead and save 5% off of your purchase, go ahead and use that code down in the description box below. It can save you 5% off of your waxing kit. So let's go ahead and get right back into the video. Alright, we got our pre-wax spray again. I'm going to go ahead and reapply it. And then I'm going to go ahead and let this dry real quick. Alright guys, I am just going to get ready and apply this layer to the middle part of my arm. So I kind of figured it out that I was just applying the wax too thick, that I need to do the layers really thin for it to work. So I have this much on my stick and we're going to go ahead and apply it. So I'm going to do a little small, I guess, almost patch test, if you will, right here in the middle of my arm. I'm just trying to even it out as much as possible. Okay guys, now it is time to go ahead and rip this super small thin layer off. I'm actually really excited because I feel like I've been applying it too thick, so maybe that's why. So let's go ahead and rip it. Oh, actually I want to make sure I press up against everything first. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is what it took off. So I did take off some hair, but not completely all of it, but I'm still learning, so yeah. Hey guys, I just wanted to interrupt the video really quickly and just let you all know that yes, this was my first time ever using a waxing kit on my own, so I was following all the directions on the book, but I just wanted to let you all know the first time that you rip your strip off, it's not going to 100% rip everything off very perfectly. So I learned that throughout the way that it does take me about 1 to 2 tries to rip a section off, maybe because I'm not applying enough pressure or just because I'm not as experienced. But I just wanted to let you guys all know that it's not going to be perfect on the first time that you do it. Alright guys, it is time to rip it off. It is hardened and ready to go, just applying the last pressure that I need. Alright, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It honestly doesn't even hurt that bad. So this is what it took off. I'm not even, yeah, you probably can't see it too well because it's actually inside of the wax, but I really do like these thin layers that I apply. But let's go ahead and do a thick layer. And now we are going to go ahead and experiment and do a thick layer. So I'm just stirring the wax around right here. Sorry that you can't see it, I don't have a cameraman, but I'm just scooping a whole bunch of wax and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. And I'm just trying to catch the ones at the bottom as well. And I'm trying to apply it with as much pressure as I can. And then I'm also going to go in for that second layer. So again, I'm trying to do it as neat as possible, but we are all humans and sometimes as neat as possible is not what we want or will get. So I'm just making this big spot on my arm because I just want it to be all together, but I already feel it drying up, so I'm just going to try to hurry up. And of course I accidentally put a small patch on the beginning as well because that's just what I do. Alright, so I pretty much evened everything out and it's getting super sticky, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry now. Alright guys, it's time to go ahead and rip this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start from right here since we are ripping in the opposite direction. Oh, I can feel this one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh my goodness. It did take off hair and it wasn't as bad as it sounded, so don't be alarmed. Alright guys, so I just finished waxing myself. As you can tell, my arms are pretty red because they're pretty sensitive, but I literally just waxed the whole first portion of my arm here and it feels so smooth. I haven't even put the wax spray on yet, but I just wanted to compare the difference because this is all the hair right here and then this is the part of the arm that I just did. So here is kind of like a before and then an after. So honestly, it wasn't even that bad. It wasn't even really painful and I just love how smooth it is. So now let's go ahead and put on our after spray. So when you're done waxing, you want to go ahead and go in with your after spray. So I just did the first portion of my right arm, so I'm just going to spray a little bit since I didn't do the entire arm. Oh wow, this feels really smooth on my skin. Doesn't really smell bad either. So I am just going to go ahead and let this dry and then I'll just move on to the other portion of my arm. So just for that portion of my arm, this is all of these strips that I used. I know some of you are probably like, oh my gosh, you use so much, but I have never used a waxing kit before, but it did take it off really nicely. It didn't take everything off on the first try because I just kind of had to learn my way and have a nice rhythm. So it's all a learning experience for me, but it was really better than sugar waxing and really less painful in my opinion. So I really do love this kit. Like I said, you can go ahead and check it in the description box and save 5% off of your order. And this is all of my setup right here. So it's really helpful to have that booklet on the right to you or left and have your sprays and your sticks. So this is pretty much my setup right here in my bathroom. So like I said guys, this was my first time using a waxing kit and you kind of just have to find your own rhythm, so don't get discouraged if you can't get it the first time. Thank you guys for watching my video today. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That always helps my channel out. And hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you all here. I post on every single Sunday. Until next time, I will see you all in my next video.